If you're tired of new players on any online games, you must watch this video. Hello guys, this is FixTube, and in this video we're gonna talk about the GameTree and 10 things you need to know about the gamer friend finding app. If you're new to GameTree, watch this video to find out everything you need to know about it. In a world dominated by social media, it's quite surprising that we didn't have an app for finding like-minded gamers take off. This is why GameTree is quickly becoming a hot topic for discussions thanks to its massive amount of downloads and a recently successful Kickstarter campaign. It is a platonic gamer finding an app that matches you with similar gamers based on several screening protocols. Like with any new app though, it can be a bit tricky to decide if you want to try. If you're looking for new gamer friends though, then we have listed the 10 things you need to know about the new gamer friend finding app. There is a personality test. To begin with, this app uses a quiz to help identify your Myers-Briggs personality type. It'll match you with one of the 16 personalities to help determine what type of person you are. This of course also helps identify players who are more introverted from those who have extroverted tendencies. Using this, the app can also help you determine how well your personalities will mesh. And you can search for friends based on personality type. This app will also want you to take a values quiz so that it can recommend people with similar thinking patterns. GameTree will help you identify similar tastes in games. Along with being asked to take personality assessments, the first thing the app will want you to do is pick games that you own for your console. This will help the system match you with players who like or are playing the games that you're interested in. This can also help you quickly find companions to jump into your favorite multiplayer titles with, or a game to discuss the plot of your favorite RPG. In fact, the first thing you will probably notice while looking at another gamer's profile is the list of mutual games between you. You'll have the ability to create sessions. If you're not one for searching or just like to keep things organized, then you can use the app session system. This allows you to announce to other players what game you're currently playing, how long you'll be playing it, and the number of players still needed for your team. You can also search for other players' ongoing sessions for games or just scroll through the most recently started ones. This can be great for when you want to jump into an FPS but prefer to play with a team that is communicating. GameTree has an instant messaging system. The app has a fluid, built-in instant messaging system for you to chat with other players. Unlike some other apps, this one doesn't restrict the sharing of pictures or links so that you can freely share information with friends. If you ever feel like the other gamer is being rude, you just need to simply delete their messages to keep them from bothering you further. This lets you quickly shift through friends that just didn't work out, as well as protect yourself from toxic players. There's also an easy-to-use report system in case of more serious matters. GameTree has in-app achievements. Along with allowing you to vet other players through game taste and personality, the app has an achievement system. These achievements can be earned by updating your profile, reviewing games, logging in, and connecting with players from around the world. The achievements earn you experience so that you can level up and unlock additional in-app features like specialized themes and advanced customization options. Every gamer will have their level displayed beside their name, and the system is developed so that most app users will need to take several years to hit max level. GameTree comes with game recommendations. Another less social feature of the app is an advanced algorithm program. that uses data gathered by gamers to predict other games you will enjoy. By adding and giving a number score to games you love and hate, you can get interesting recommendations for new games to try out during day seasons when releases are slim. The recommendations will be pulled from a wide library of games, including smaller indie titles. While it doesn't seem to be perfect, the system did give a consistent stream of related games that many users will find helpful. There's a personality test for your gaming preferences. Once you've completed your profile, you'll notice a quiz where you can input your gaming preferences. This quiz will ask you how much you enjoy different game types and modes to give you an accurate graph of your preferred genres and level of competitiveness. This chart will then be publicly added to your profile so that other gamers can get a grasp of the game and playstyle you prefer. This helps more competitive players find each other for strategic, while letting more lax players find similar-minded friends. You can have in-app conversations. If you're just looking to find some quick chatter, then you can check in with the discussion area of the app. The discussion area acts like many familiar social media status systems, where players can post quick responses about what is currently on their minds, whether it be debating a new game or asking for help with a specific level. The status can also be sent out to the world to set your friends only. The discussion part of the app doesn't have any strict rules, so users can freely share memes with each other or chat about life. You can rate friends' response rates. One of the worst things you can find is a flaky friend who doesn't actually come through with playing games. To minimize the risk of finding unfaithful players, everyone is given a response rate for both attended game sessions and the frequency they reply to messages. While this won't be a problem for most players, those that have a low percentage or level grade can alert other players to frequent ghosting. This is another tool that can help you find a reliable team to play with, especially if you love being competitive. GameTree has profile customization. Lastly, the app gives gamers the ability to customize their profile in several ways. You can add both a cover image, profile picture, description, online image, and even customize the color of your name. Your profile will also allow you to easily add and remove your gamer tags and social media alias. This can help players quickly add you online, especially when you start sessions. The rest of the options are mostly for fun or giving a brief introduction, but are still a welcome addition to the app nonetheless. Thank you guys for watching this video. I assure you, after installing this app, you're gonna be miles away from any noobs in any games.